Okay, this is a swarm that I caught on the weekend. I released them early this morning. So I got 10 frames and an empty box, and then 10 frames. And the entrance reducer. In the middle is the queen. And I'll release her tomorrow. These are the bees I brought back from Spruce Grove. And if you top the lid, there's a lot. I don't know if you can see or not, that bee's fanning, so that's a good sign. So, free hive. That right where the queen is where that crack where they're trying to get in, the queen is right on the other side of that. There's a little small opening on one side and a little small opening on the other side and a reducer, so. So I would say that it was a success. I got a pollen paddy in there, I got sugar water in there. And I'll be feeding them now since I just, they have nothing. Well, they do. I put in a couple frames of honey. So they got food in there, and there's some pollen and nectar. I will add, once they get used to the place, frame of brood from over there. But everything's going good. Looks like the bees have accepted the new home and they'll just go to work. And the queen's just on the other side of that crack. That's why they're trying to get in there. And there's the other hive. Lots of activity there. And I'm not worried about losing any bees from one hive to the other, because even let's just say I did, I can always shake a couple frames into the next hive. And as soon as she starts reproducing here, then I don't got to worry about it. But I don't think it's a big deal. And they're just bringing it in over there. Life of a honeybee. So, thanks for watching. Take care. Keep your stick on the ice. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along and keep the progress of the hive. Take care.